The call center landscape is transforming, and AI is at the heart of this change. As a call center supervisor, integrating AI into your work isn't just an option, it's a necessity. By diving into our courses, you'll gain a deep understanding of why AI matters for your role, getting real answers to common questions, and learning practical, step-by-step strategies that you can start using immediately. You'll learn how AI streamlines repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on strategic issues like employee training and enhancing customer service. Our training helps you unlock valuable insights by teaching you to use AI-driven analytics to make informed decisions tailored to your call center's unique needs. Picture moving from handling basic tasks to confidently leading with AI-generated data that clarifies customer behaviors and agent performance trends. The courses cover essential topics such as understanding generative AI, mastering ChatGPT for daily tasks, improving call quality through targeted analysis, and leveraging AI for comprehensive agent performance evaluation. Each course is designed to be accessible and immediately applicable, ensuring that you quickly become the go-to expert who not only boosts team productivity, but also secures greater job stability and higher earning potential. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. With a growing library of video courses, expert ebooks, and continuously updated tools, you have everything you need to elevate your skills and career. Explore all of our AI for Call Center Supervisors training courses on CompleteAItraining.com and take the next step toward a future filled with opportunity and innovation.